be heading there. I'm just going to take you guys along with me. It's actually raining if you guys haven't realised. It's bare cold. And yeah, Ocean Bridge. Oh my god, what a fantastic journey we're having right now. It's raining as well, which is even better. You guys probably can't see at the back as well. Whew, it is amazing, honestly. I don't know where it is exactly, but we're going to be doing a bit of shopping here as well. We're going to be showing you a lot around. And yeah. Five Guys now. We're going to be ordering some food here, and then we're just going to chill out because we're a bit tired. They're actually really tasty. Love it. Moving around. Yeah, I'm just going to show you. Buying clothes for my mum, and yeah, I'm going to show you guys around. It's pretty big here and it's so different from the place that we live in. So this is the top that my mum chose and it was nice. I'm going to be showing you guys many more as well. I'm going shopping to Primark. My mum bought a nice top. As you guys can see, it's really nice. I'll show you the full top later on. So once we've done that, Mum, where we're going to be heading to? We're just going to, run around Bristol, just for fun. And yeah, I'll show you guys around.